First, open the Meshtastic official website. Click Downloads and find Web Flasher. Step 1. Select the corresponding device first. Find the LILYGO device and click TDEC. Step 2. Select the firmware version. Here we choose the latest version. Finally, click Flash. Scroll to the bottom and find Continue. Check the Erase Before Downloading option here. Click Download. In the pop-up window, select the port corresponding to the device. It is recommended to put the device in download mode. After a short wait, the firmware download will complete. Restart the device. Since Meshtastic firmware has Bluetooth disabled by default, you can switch to Bluetooth mode by long pressing the Meshtastic logo on the startup screen. Now you can connect using the mobile app or computer client. Long press again to return to the Meshtastic operation interface. Now back to the Meshtastic operation interface. First, set up the device's region and name the device. Click OK and wait for the device to save. The operation interface allows mode switching by clicking certain icons. This turns off LoRa transmission. Long pressing again will enable it. Users can see nearby online Meshtastic devices here. Here you can select the device's broadcasting channel. This is the dialog interface with other devices. The TDEC with Meshtastic firmware supports map usage. You need to download map packages to an SD card and insert it into the device. For more information, check the Meshtastic official website. These are some device settings and tools showing basic functions. At least 2 devices are needed to form a Meshtastic network. You can find more examples of Meshtastic usage on LILYGO's YouTube homepage.
The Meshtastic official website documentation contains a guide that explains how to use the UI shown in the video. First, open the Meshtastic official website and find the Docs section. On the left side, find Meshtastic UI under Software. Here you will find an introduction to the functions and features of the interface.